quick video tip as I'm working on a 1979 Nova sitting here. I'm trying to get the engine started back up again, working on the radiator, and one thing I noticed down here is that the radiator hose was crunchy. I don't know if you can hear that, and I totally forgot. This is why. So they've got these wires and these old ones that kind of help keep it from collapsing down on itself, and that's what I was feeling. There was some rust in there, of course. I mean, there's crap in here. Got a new hose. Getting ready to install a new hose up here, thermostat and everything. But yeah, so that's what causes a crunchy radiator hose. And as far as I can tell, you know, nobody makes these with stainless steel springs or wires in there. So you just have to get a new one, because that will eventually corrode, and then you'll have that junk floating around through your cooling system, which is not preferable. Also, if you're gonna let a vehicle sit for a while, this is the thermostat. Yeah, so if I would have fired it up, there would have been nothing coming through that. I don't even think it would have opened up. I'll focus there. I think that would have just probably completely clogged. So yeah, be sure if you're going to store a vehicle, drain your fuel, drain your radiator, store it properly, because otherwise you'll be spending a lot of time getting it started back up when you need to again.